Taurians, your greatest asset is your unwavering persistence. As we traverse the celestial landscape of 2024, let's focus on the power of this steadfast trait. You see, persistence is more than just stubbornness. It's the quiet strength within you that refuses to give up, no matter the odds. It's the steady flame that burns, undying in the face of the fiercest winds. It's the unstoppable force that propels you forward, even when the path ahead is shrouded in darkness. This year, let your persistence be the compass that guides you towards your goals. Whether you're aspiring to start a new project, striving for a promotion, or seeking personal growth, remember, it's your tenacity that will carry you through. So, dream big, Taurians, set your sights on the stars, and remember, each step you take, no matter how small, is a step closer to your dreams. Change is often seen as a challenge, but for you, Taurus, it's an opportunity. In the dance of life, change is the music that sets the rhythm. As the universe spins and the stars shift, so too must we adapt and evolve. 2024 is a year of transformation, a year where you can harness the energy of change to flourish and thrive. Consider each change as a step towards a more enlightened you. Whether it's a change in career, relationships, or personal growth, each shift in your life's landscape is an opportunity for you to show your strength and resilience. When met with positivity and an open mind, change can lead to unimaginable growth and enlightenment. So, dear Taurus, as we step into 2024, let's not shirk from change, but rather welcome it with open arms. Embrace the winds of change. They carry seeds of growth and wisdom. Your loyalty and warmth make you a cherished friend and partner. As a Taurus, these qualities are woven into the very fabric of your being. In the coming year, let these be the cornerstones as you build and nurture the relationships in your life. Friendships, partnerships, and familial bonds, each connection holds a unique and special place in your heart. These relationships are not just about companionship. They are reflections of your own self, mirrors that show you who you truly are. In 2024, make a conscious effort to strengthen these ties. Be there for your loved ones, not just in moments of joy, but also through the trials. Listen, empathize, and lend your steadfast support, just as you would want them to do for you. Remember, the relationships you foster are not just about giving, but also about receiving. Allow yourself to be vulnerable, to accept love and support. Build connections that uplift and support, for they are your anchors in times of storm and sunshine. Taurus, your practical nature is a boon, especially in financial matters. As we tread into 2024, it's time to channel this inherent wisdom into crafting a sustainable financial plan. Remember, the wisest of investors are those who understand the value of balance. It's about knowing when to save, when to spend, and when to invest. This year, let your practical Taurian nature guide your financial decisions. Be it investing in a promising venture, saving for a rainy day, or splurging on that well-deserved treat, your intuition will guide you towards the right choice. And don't forget, while money is a tool for stability, it's not the sole key to happiness. Invest time in experiences, in relationships, in moments that money can't buy. Because, dear Taurus, it's the balance between the material and the emotional that truly leads to a fulfilling life. So, as you navigate the financial seas of 2024, remember, balance is key to a fulfilling life. In your pursuit of success, don't lose sight of the most important person, you. As Taurians, you possess an unwavering determination to achieve your goals. Yet, it's vital to remember that no goal is worth sacrificing your well-being. 2024 invites you to prioritize self-care. And what does self-care mean? It's about listening to your body, mind, and spirit. It's about giving yourself permission to rest when you're tired, to seek joy when you're down, and to nourish your body with the care it deserves. It's about setting boundaries and honoring your own needs as much as you honor others. And remember, self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. So in this year of possibilities, find time for yourself. Take that walk under the stars, read that book you've been meaning to, surround yourself with beauty and tranquility. Nature is your ally. Let it heal and inspire you. You may face hurdles this year, but remember, Taurus, you are built to overcome. As we journey through 2024, the stars might throw challenges your way. Perhaps it's a career obstacle, a personal hurdle, or even a test of your resilience. But fear not, Taurians, for you possess the strength of the bull, your Zodiac symbol. Your unyielding spirit is your greatest tool in these times. When faced with an obstacle, approach it with the tenacity and patience that is so characteristic of your sign. Break it down into manageable pieces and tackle each one with determination. Remember, even the most intimidating mountains are climbed one step at a time. And as you conquer these challenges, remember to take a moment to acknowledge your victories. Celebrate your resilience, your courage, your unwavering spirit. Every obstacle you conquer is a testament to your inner strength. As we conclude, remember, Taurus, to trust in your journey. You are a celestial traveler, guided by the wisdom of the stars, and each step you take is an important part of your cosmic voyage. This year, you may find yourself on paths you didn't plan, facing experiences you didn't expect. But remember, not all who wander are lost. Sometimes the most beautiful destinations are found off the well-trodden path. Trust in the twists and turns. Embrace the ups and downs. For it is in these unexpected moments that you grow, learn, and evolve. Believe in the power of your journey. Every joy, every challenge, every triumph, and every setback, they're not mere happenings. They're the brushstrokes that color your life, the notes that compose your symphony, the words that write your story. Each experience is a brushstroke in the masterpiece of your life.